Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of whatever Pamela decided to send me from Stitch Naturally. I know you guys, a lot of you have probably seen Stitch Naturally showcased by Crystal over at Bag a Day and by Gary at Urban Yarn. Now it's my turn for the blessing, and I am so excited to see what she sent. Today is just going to be an unboxing. We do have a coupon code. I will share it on screen and down in the description box. You guys go check out her site. So a lot of the yarns that she sells are imported yarns. We're opening this together. She carries a lot of things that are not carried by any other shop here in the US, which I think is super cool. I love the opportunity to work with new things from new countries. Try to do this so it's not picking up on microphone as bad as possible. And I do need to grab something to cut tape with. So let's see what is in here. So starting this shop is a passion project. This is something that Pamela, the owner, wanted to do because she's in love with fiber arts, and trying new things too. Go figure that that's how you get started selling yarn. All right, what am I missing? I'm missing a flap here. There we go. I think this will pop out. There we go. Well, I didn't expect this. I don't even remotely know what to say. She does sell handmade items, including project bags, in her shop. And the very first thing here is a project bag, but this isn't. Make sure the box is empty. Put that down. This is gorgeous. This is not just any project. Oh my God. This is not just any project bag, you guys. So this is the stained glass fabric. This is the doctors from Doctor Who, the TARDIS. And there are TARDIS poles. I did not expect a project bag at all. I am not at all mad that it's a Doctor Who project bag. Oh my God. And this is the vinyl bottom. So that is going to be so durable for setting down on tabletops and things. And it's the new fabric too. It's got, she on this side now. It's got Jody right there. And everybody has a doctor. Let's see. I don't want to spend too much time just looking at the doctors here, but aw, I'm not seeing my doctor. It's okay. I came in before David Tennant, so I think everybody's in love with their first doctor. The lining fabric is in Gallifreyan, you guys. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, and what a sweet card. So her daughter, Abby, made the bag. They are available on the stitchnaturally.com website. Oh, goodness. Look at this card. That is absolutely gorgeous. So this is her business card. And this is her information. I will, like I said, have the site linked down. Oh, goodness gracious. I will have her shop and the discount code she has given us linked down below. Let's crack on because I'm still blown away by the bag. I am shooketh. I did not expect a project bag, much less such a beautiful personal choice. Oh, that's so soft. Oh, hold on. Curzon would like to lay in a box. This is from Durable Yarns. This is the furry yarn. And oh my God, it feels like a bunny. I don't think you can actually get in this one, sweetheart. Why don't you get in the basket? The box opened from the short side, not from the big side, and he wants to get in there so bad. Good signs. But this is the Durable Furry, and this, I mean, it feels like a bunny. Oh, I got to trim something in this. And it's got a nice thick, real nice thick tape that the fur is attached to here. So you might not, if you crochet this, be able to see your stitches, but you'll definitely be able to feel your way through where this is. But there have been some really high quality fur yarns on the market of late. This may be the softest one I've touched so far. This is magic. So this is 50 grams, made in Turkey, 100% polyester. And this is the color Vintage Pink. So Durable, I believe, is a product of Holland. Don't quote me on that. Well, I can always put it here to correct myself. But, so I've never tried this before. I'm really excited about trying Durable. This is Durable Coral Mini. And this is in the color Light Pink. This is a size 2 sport weight, 100% mercerized cotton. And that is super shiny, very smooth. It's got that distinct mercerized cotton feel. So it's got that very slick, very smooth feeling to it. Macaron. So she said that this was a Koiju yarn, and that is so pretty. It looks like cake sprinkles. Sprinkles! This is 100% merino, 50 grams, 175 yards. I can't read the label there where I think it has the color name. Yeah, I might have to order some more of this because I really like this. I can just see dye lot, so. How pretty is that? I've used some Koiju yarns before, and they're all amazing. I've not had one I did not fall in love with. I think we got them in, I think it was one of the brands we got when I did one of the review boxes at the beginning of the year, maybe. Something like Alpaca Direct, maybe. They are all just luscious. There's a silk blend that just, it gives you chills in all the right places. So this is the Durable Cozy Yarn. And this is in the color Lavender. This is very springy. It feels like peach skin almost. This is 50% cotton, 50% polyacrylic. There's a type of blanket that's made of polyester that has that like almost peach skin kind of feeling. I don't know if you can see how it kind of has a nap to it almost. Like those corduroy licking shirts, the chenille shirts. Anyway, that's what that reminds me of. It reminds me a lot of those chenille shirts. Oh, I see sparkles. This bag, I swear, it's like the TARDIS. It just keeps going. I'm not sure how she got all this into this bag. This is the Durable Glam. This is 75% cotton, 25% polyester. This is the color Violet. And this is also 50 grams. None of these really have the size yarn it is. This feels kind of in that DK Sport zone, but probably works up like an acrylic, or like a worsted weight. My brain and I are not having favors with each other, just saying. There's still stuff in the bottom of this bag. So this is what I've really been looking forward to working with. She said she was going to send me a cake or a piece of cake. She didn't know, but this is the Color Cake by Durable. And if that doesn't just scream springtime shawl for Carrie, I don't know what does. This is absolutely beautiful. So this is 50% cotton and 45% 55% cotton, 45% anti-pill acrylic. It is very smooth. It has a very, not quite like Sheepy's, but definitely way better than Red Heart kind of slip to it. It's different. It is softly twisted, so it's not like the individual threads where you're always going to miss one constantly and fidget with it. It's got just enough twist in the ply to where it looks like it'll stay together very nicely as you're working on it. But that is a beautiful gradient. Can she pick colors for Carrie or what? Like, all of these are absolutely magnificent. All right, so the last yarn down here is another one of the Durable Coral Minis. And this one is in the color Royal. So these are just absolutely adorable little bonbons of joy here. Deet, 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 deet. And once again, this was mercerized cotton. I think I may have to make something for like the little kiddos that are coming in the new year with that. We have, oh, it looks like stitch markers. We have locking stitch markers, and these are the big ones. So these are going to be very easy for me to grip with my fingers. Like I was just saying the other day with I have very small dexterity issues. Well, and now I'm already dropping them on the floor. But when it's flaring up, I need something that's very easy to bend, and that is very, very easy to bend. No problem with that. Oh. And the smaller one also very, very easy to bend, very flexible. So these aren't the ones that you need to put two on your project because they're going to break or snap under pressure. These are the good ones that have a very pliant plastic. And they're in the cutest little tin there. And it's a very easy open tin. It's loose fit, and it's got a nice large rim that you can lift up there. I know the arthritis, like running things, are kind of ridiculous sometimes in my videos, but for those of us who have locking joints, and I know once again it's a marketing thing. Queen of office supplies can never have enough notepads on hand. That will definitely be going into one of my project bags so I can take notes. But it has the Durable Yarn website and information on it. And I believe we have reached the end of my bag here, which I'm just, I am in shock over this bag. The yarn is gorgeous, but I mean, okay, so this is like a medium-sized bag. I mean, it's not too small or anything, but this is a lot of yarn to fit in there. And it's not like it's an individual, you know, like tight wound cake of yarn. And then, you know, stitch markers and a notepad. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's... Thank you so much for sending me this for the unboxing. I will definitely be coming back to discuss, and particularly the cake yarn, in a separate video. But holy cats, that is a lot of stuff. And I may be ordering some more of this. This is just too stinking cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it, but it needs to be a thing. And it needs to be a thing here at the beginning of the new year. Oh, look, how cute would that be? This little kitty. But yeah, sprinkles yarn definitely needs to be a thing. Maybe I'll find something in my stash to pair it with, but this needs to be a thing. And this needs to be a thing yesterday. So we know where Carrie will probably be starting off. And who doesn't need a new spring shawl this year? So we already have 2 projects kind of picked for immediate use. And I will let you guys know how it's coming with everything else as we go on. I am thinking this needs to be added as the trim to something that goes very close to your neck. That is absolutely, and there are certain faux furs I have loved working with. Do not get me wrong. There are some beautiful faux furs on the market if you're willing to pay the right price for it. The super cheap stuff for $1 scratches, itches, is never comfortable. The stuff that's a little bit more, not super expensive. We're not talking like $20 for 100 grams, just reasonable price here. But this is hands down the most luxurious soft one that I have ever felt. I would say, other than the fact it is a fluff, and I haven't really experimented with how the fluff comes off, it does appear to have a very tight weave in the tape. Other than the fluff, I would say you could do kids' pieces with this. It is that soft. And even the tape, it feels like a nylon tape, but it says it's 100% polyester. This is so thick. It's great for working, but it's so soft and pliable. It's not at all, like when you're sitting here squishing it and moving it, you can feel there's a core, but it's not, it doesn't hamper the floof. It's so fluffy. That needs, I mean, that, oh, how cute would that be with a little beanie hat and have a fold up? Do a little brim where it's right there and you can feel it on your forehead. I might have already come up with the project for this too. Like I said, it needs to be something where it's touching face, neck, chest, that area. Because anyway, I am incredibly excited to dive in with this. Definitely go check out her website. She has so many other yarns on there. And now that I've seen the project bags in person, like, guys, I mean, you know me, like, I really like good project bags. I really like fun, whimsical project bags. She even does the off-center handle that I love so much. It makes it so much easier to carry. And then if you work, you can put it on your wrist and it hangs just the right way to work from your bag if you're standing. This also, when you hold it from the angled strap, because Laurel at the Dabbling Hook does the same thing. If you hold it from this diagonal strap, the drawstring and the weight of the bag doesn't just open up on you too. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I knew the yarn was beautiful before she sent a box because everything on her website is beautiful. Definitely go check out her daughter's project bags. These are absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I cannot wait to dive in on these, and I will come back later and share with you guys what I have made and how much I enjoyed working with everything, because I can't imagine anything here isn't going to be an absolute treat to work with. You guys take care. As always, I love you. Go check out Stitch Naturally, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.